back to welding again, folks. Well, it's neat, obviously. It's neat welding up in this motherfucker, man. Welding. The hook is welding. The hook is welding. Look at this, y'all. Chop your fingers off. Doing these screws right here. Doing these screws. Welding these screws. Welding, people. Welding makes a lot of money. Welding makes a lot of money, man. Make sure it goes into this hole. It does. It fits. Okay, it fits. It fits. It fits. So all you gotta do is make sure it fits in this hole. It fits. I'm gonna take this screw right here. I'm gonna stick it in the edge of this screwdriver. And I'm gonna do this. My dad, stepmom probably never thought I could do this. I'm gonna trim the edge around. Make it smooth like that. Like that. That's what they do. That's how they put it in the stores and sell it. I'm gonna take it, make sure it can screw in here. It screws well, it fits perfectly. Thank you very much. A lot of niggas didn't know I had these skills. I'm a Gemini. I got plenty of skills, nigga. Look, I take this screw right here. I'm gonna take this screw. See how it's regular? And I'm gonna take it, screw it to the screwdriver. I'm gonna stick it to this wheel. Right, boom. Boom, boom. Solid. Solid, nigga. Solid. See if it fits. Day's work from the hook, nigga. Another day's work. I might have to do some tightening up. It don't fit. What I'm gonna do is go around. Do it like this. I'm a smooth operator. My mama will be proud. I do a lot of things with GIC. Now it fits in the hole. I do a lot of things. I'm a man of many hats here. Today I'm welding though. First day welding. First day welding. They just taught me just a second ago, and look how I got it. I take the screw, I put it on there. I do like this. I put it up against the wheel. Look, ooh. I'm gonna go around. Now I just made the screw. Voila. Thank you very much.